Hi everyone, we'll quickly go over how to install Git for your Windows machine. So you want to head to this website and find the installer for your Windows machine. If you don't know your machine's architecture, you can go to Settings, scroll all the way down for About, and you'll see under System Type, whether it's an ARM-based processor or Intel-based. If it's an ARM-based processor, you will just click here to download, and we'll see it right here. And same thing for another architecture. What we want to do now is double click for installation. It might show up behind your folder. And right here, I recommend switching to something that you use for text editing. Yeah, if you're not sure, Notepad is pretty good. Let Git decide. Yep, just click through everything. All right. Once we finish, you can open up your terminal and try typing in git --version. Now it should show up as something other than an error. That's all you need for installing Git on Windows. Next up, we need to download Go. We can do so by going to this website and select the operating system you're using. This one is Windows, so I'll just click on that. Double click on the installer. And install it. Cool. Once we finish, just click that. And we're good to go for Go. Okay, here we want to install Chocolatey, which is a package manager for Windows. We want to navigate to this website and scroll down to install Chocolatey for individual use. You can click on other things, but we'll go with individual. And in your search, you want to search for terminal and right click to run as administrator. First off, we need to run this command, get execution policy. If it says restricted, which it should, we want to run set execution policy all signed. Now that's done, we'll copy this thing right here, paste it, and hit enter. Right, now that it's done, we can close it and reopen it to use Chocolatey. If you see a version number after you input choco -- version, your Chocolatey is ready to go. Alrighty, let's move on to the next step. We want to open terminal and make sure that we're opening this as administrator by right-clicking and run as administrator. We want to check that we have Git and Choco installed. So we'll do that by typing git -- version and choco -- version. If you see some version number, then we're good to go. Next up, we'll install Hugo, which is what we're going to use for building our website. And we do that by typing this command. For me, I already installed it, so it's giving me something like this, but I'll just force install to show you what it looks like. It'll take a second. We want to type yes to run the scripts. And then we can see that Hugo has been installed successfully. We can check that by saying Hugo version. And you can see some type of string here. That's all you need to know.